What do you want written on the book, Kelly's 50th?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try a round just real quick. Let me see.
Okay.
And I will set it off up in here. I'll fight. I am not afraid.
Nobody died. Nobody died.
Good. I'm glad. Please don't. Because you will get your feelings real hurt. Okay.
Are they gonna give you like a 5-minute heads up that they're close?
Probably not.
That's Miss Sheila. That's Miss Sheila. Hey, Miss Sheila. Is she coming? She's not. Surprise! Take it back.
Where's your whistle? You got the whistle.
He's like, well, you know.
Hey there.
Carson, where's your whistle?
Here's your reservation. Mom's going 70.
There you go, yay! And you is special, yes! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Alrighty, you guys, so we are at my friend Kelly's 50th surprise birthday party. Of course, we didn't get the surprise quite on time, but she's surprised, she's crying, she's laughing, she's hugging, and all the things. It's a very small party. It's about 40 people, so not really a lot, and they have a really large kind of downstairs garage area. She texted me this morning. She's one of my tightest 2 women, and she said, hey, my mom and sisters are taking me out. I won't be on the meeting this morning. I was like, okay, no problem. I already knew. My sister and I picked up the food and brought it here because it was catered from that Casey's in Wilmington. So, you know, we already knew we were coming. She didn't know we were going to be here. And several other people from church. And she's like, oh, my God. You know, she's so excited. We're very, very glad to be here with her and celebrate her 50th. So, anywho, we're going to, I probably won't show very, very much more of the party. But we'll vlog a little bit on the way home. guys, so Alana and I are at a doctor's appointment. She comes to a pediatric endocrinologist every 6 months, Alana. And then she also has a nutrition appointment. So we are here for her regular appointment. She has a nutrition appointment after this. Then we have some errands to run before she has dance class. She's not going to do piano tonight, but she does have dance. So we're going to just get this done, run a quick few errands. Then she has dance. Mom, of course, is going to the gym. So it is Wednesday night, right? So I'm going to do, I'm going to train with the trainer. I'm going to do core at 7. So I have to do core at 7. That means I need to get to the gym to do a few weights. I need to get to the gym and do a few weights as early as 6:40, 6:35, 6:40. Shouldn't take me long. Then I can do at least 15 or 20 minutes before I do core. There's also a stretch class, but I do need to walk. What's wrong, sister? What's hurting? Did you pray for it in Jesus' name? Girl, we just doing too much. We over there making faces. You better make faces in the Lord. You better, in Jesus' name. Girl, bye. You doing too much. These people, they need to pray. I talked to Shakema today. She been gone for how many days? 4 days? We don't even know. She just left her dog. I said, what you gonna do with your dog? So my mom, he's in safe hands. Yes, he is, but you just left. She ain't tell nobody she was going or nothing. She just left her dog, just left him. I said, what if I put your dog out? What if I take him to boarding school? Then what? She's like, well, he'll just be at boarding school. Okay, and charge your card for boarding school because he is not here. My son texted him earlier. His dog has to be put down. He did a rescue, and he's an older dog that has some issues. So they found a tumor that he just has to be put down. So he is gonna go put him down this weekend. He's not feeling it. Not that any of us would be feeling that. I did tell him that he will need to, think about getting another rescue, a younger rescue. He says he doesn't think he's ready for that, but I think it would help him in the transition because he hasn't had the dog very long, but he's a dog person. So that is very hard, having to put down your recently acquired, buddy, his little dude. He calls him his old man. He's 10 years old. His name is Brownie. I don't think we got any pictures of him last time when we were there for vacation, but his name is Brownie, and he's a pit. He is like a 1-dog household. So yeah, no dogs need to be with Brownie. But Trandon has been able to give him some good loving on him for the last couple of weeks while they've had him. So it's been really good. So anywho, we're gonna wait for the doctor to show up, do what we gotta do here. Then we're gonna move to the next destination because we got a lot to do today. Alrighty, y'all, I'm dropping Alana off at dance. And now I'm heading to the gym. She can go, her class is from 6:30 to 8:30, so I'm dropping her off. And I am going to the gym. I'm trying to get there before 7 so that I can sign up for the 7 o'clock class. And a class means working with the trainer. I tried to sign up using my app. It said it was full. I don't believe that. Because last week I was the only person in the class and he signed me up. So let's see if anything's wrong with my app. Maybe not. If he is full, no worries. Then what I will do is I'll just do weights or something in the gym. But I'm gonna plan to do a few weights because it is 6:29. So I'm planning to do a few weights before the class. I'm tired. I went to bed last night about 9, and when I go to bed like that, I wake up like at 3:30, and I was like this. What to do? So I was up. So far for my 75 hard, I've not done any workouts. I have gotten in 3 bottles of water. I've done some reading. So of course I gotta get the rest of my last bottle of water, and I take supplements at night, and I just drink a bottle of water that way. I do want to do a little bit more reading, and I'm going to work out right now, so it's all gonna be good. I just gotta get it in where I can fit it in, child. It's one of the things I don't like about, you know, when I love going to work, but I'll have to do my workouts in the afternoon, or get up at 5:30, and I just don't want to do it. That's just as plain and simple as I can say it. I don't want to do it. But I am up, and we will see what happens. Yeah. So on my way, I'll check back in with you guys when I have worked out. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for this vlog. We just have some cleaning to get done in the kitchen, and that will be it. So thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and give this videos a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.